86 GMC 7000 with the 366 big block, no clutch. And I'll show you how to do a split shift, axle shift, downshift. So I'm heading downhill right now, and all you want to do is tap the button and raise the RPMs, because that's where your next shift will be. So no clutch, and we're ready in gear. Simple as that. So again, now we can do an upshift on the axle right now. Come around here and we'll load the axle up. So we're going up a hill. And I will hit the button on the gas, let off, and let the rear end engage. Right back on the gas. And then again, clutchless shift from fourth to fifth. Like that. And also back out on the float from fifth to fourth. We'll raise the gas a little bit. Right in there. Anyway, that's a little bit about a shift without the clutch. I don't double clutch. I only use the clutch to basically get out of the hole, and that's about it. Upshifting or downshifting.